Everyone, my name is Gina, and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, thank you so much for choosing to check us out. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. Your girl really does appreciate it. Now, either way, if you are viewing and currently not a subscriber of Seasoned Beauties, go on and hit that subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Our video on today is going to be the unboxing of May's BoxyCharm. I'm excited to open this. I've seen so many people talking about this. I want to see what's in mine, okay? So we're going to go ahead and jump right in. For those of you who are not familiar with BoxyCharm, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription service where you receive full-size products at the wonderful rate of $21 plus taxes now each and every month, okay? And I must admit, very, very seldom have I been disappointed in the products that I've received. So we're going to go ahead and jump right in and check it out. So when we open it, of course, you have the BoxyCharm information on the top. And I know what's in here now. This month's theme is Make Waves. Really? Okay, so we're going to jump right in and see what's in the box. Our very first product is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. Okay? Truly, truly a full-size product. Look at the size of that. Okay? Our description card says gentle, but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. And this is good for all skin types, okay? And the manufacturer's suggested retail price of this item right here is $28. Our box is more than paid for already. So just from the first product. This is so beautiful. It's one of those kind of products that you just let sit on your vanity or in your bathroom. Okay. It doesn't really have a scent to it. Well, at least not right here. Now, I have some other cleansers that I'm finishing up first before I check this one out, but coming soon. Okay, and our next item is by Alamar Cosmetics. This palette is gorgeous. This is a blush trio. And it does have a mirror. Look at these shades. I think I can work with these on my skin tone. Gorgeous. Alright, let's check it out. See what the description card has to say about this. Get your blush on with our new Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio. Formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks. This buttery smooth, highly pigmented, and completely vegan formula delivers a sun-kissed flush without the damage of the rays. The manufacturer suggested retail price on this one, $22. Now I'm going to go ahead and swatch the... Okay, here we go. All three shades. That's a nice flush of color. And it's got a little shimmer in it too. Beautiful. Okay, and that is item number 2. The third item we have is by Ciate London, and it is the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow. The packaging is pretty nice as well. Here we go. Okay. My shade is Cupid. Very nice. That is very nice. Okay. Next to our blushes. But that's gorgeous. Okay, and that is item number 3. Did I tell you the manufacturer suggested retail price on that one was $22? Oh my God. We have so far exceeded what we've paid for this box. Now, our next product is by Steve Laurent. Okay. And this is a lip gloss. The actual lip gloss. This has some pigment to it. This is not a clear lip gloss. All right, let's see. Let's do this. Here's our color. So this is actually a shade. You know what? Let's see how it dries, because right now it's just a little sticky, but I like it. Okay, and that is item number 4. It says 1 part balm and 3 parts silk. This Steve Laurent gloss is never leaving your favorite purse. Formulated with a creamy lip softening texture, this one-of-a-kind hybrid gel and oil will moisturize and hydrate your lips with just one swipe. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $22. That seemed to be our number. That's beautiful. Our last item in the box is Vintage by Jessica Lieberskind. And this one is the Cashmere Lip Pencil. This is very pretty. The packaging is very, very nice on this. Okay, this one right here in the middle of the 2 blushes is the shade, which is gorgeous. All right, and our description card says your new Vintage by Jessica Cashmere Lip Pencil delivers natural looking definition with minimal effort and maximum precision. The velvety smooth formula glides onto lips without tugging or pulling. Manufacturer suggested retail price on this one is $21. Now, as usual, they didn't really disappoint me. I know sometimes you can't please everybody, but I'm not disappointed at all. Okay, these are the items in our May BoxyCharm. Pretty nice if I don't say so myself. Now, I do hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you got in your box and which product you are enjoying the most right now. And as always, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.